Hello, it's Kevin Kwok, founder of J29 Creative. Hey, we're excited to be at Social Media World here in San Diego, and we're with the CEO of Agora Pulse.
My people, it's time to move out. Move out. My people, it's time to move out. Show 'em what we do now.
So we get a lot of questions about managing social media and what platforms to use here in Kansas City and also in the Midwest and some of our US clients and different things like that. So hey, well, what better way to showcase what we use than having the CEO himself here. So Jake uses Agora Pulse daily with his team.
Yes,
So
yes.
yeah.
I love it. Emmerich here, he's a good guy. We'll let him talk. You'll hear his French accent here in a second. I just spoiled it, but I really like Agora Pulse. We used a lot of tools in the beginning. Hootsuite was the primary one we used. We looked at Sprout, Buffer as well. The thing that I really liked about Agora Pulse was the fact that everything that we needed was in one tool. I didn't have to go utilize one tool for this, another tool for monitoring, another tool for scheduling. It was fantastic. And then the cherry on top was we had direct access to this guy, Emmerich. Like literally, I could message this guy like, I was like, oh my God.
we didn't know he was the CEO.
Yeah, we had no idea. We thought it was like a customer service guy. We're like, oh my God, dude, I'm so mad at this. Like, why did it just do this? I need to send a message. And then I get this message from this guy, Emmerich. I'm like, oh, they have a really good customer service guy, like real quick. And then we find out, we're like, Emmerich, wait, that's the name of the CEO. And he's emailing us back and forth and messaging us through their message center. Literally fixing the problems within hours or within days, depending on the problem. So I think in a SaaS-based solution, especially nowadays, nothing's going to be perfect. It's not going to be bug-free. You can't expect that. But they are so nimble in the way that they react to, one, what's needed for social media marketers, and two, if there's any issues with the system that they currently have. They have developed. We've started using them, 2.5 years ago?
Yep, I think it was almost 3.
Oh, yeah.
So I think what's unique is Agora Pulse has grown since then, but they've maintained that kind of customer service.
Yeah.
And it's not only for marketers, it's also for businesses that manage multiple social media accounts. So tell us, I mean, we share a lot.
You may speak, Emmerich.
I may speak.
You may speak.
Am I allowed?
Yes, you may speak.
Well, first of all, thank you for the kind comments. I don't want them to believe that the CEO is doing support because they're going to think I'm crazy.
Oh, he's not doing support. No, he doesn't do support anymore.
But not anymore. We have more than 3,500 clients.
Yeah, this
so
was the beginning.
It would be hard for me to do support with everyone. But it is true that I used to do support, like a lot.
Yeah.
I started by probably doing 50% of my time doing support in the early days. And it's pretty rare that you have the founder of a company so involved in support. And what it does is that everybody below me does the same thing. Like they care about support and they care about the customer because the boss up there does care and they saw it from their own eyes. And so that gives you something of a culture, like that's how you do culture in a company. Like it has to come from the boss. And when they see that the boss cares and the boss is anxious about solving problems and answering fast, well, they do the same thing. So that I think that's the important point here. And I'm still doing support and answering customers a lot less than I used to, but I'm still doing it because I like to keep that link with what's happening.
Yeah.
For real, like what's happening for our users and how they feel. So
keep your pulse.
Keep the pulse.
Keep your pulse.
Keep the pulse
on your Agora Pulse. I honestly gotta say, like you can software. You can build a tool and you can build all these features and stuff like that. But to have a company, especially a SaaS-based software, be able to listen, be nimble, and be able to. The market's changing all the time in social media. Be able to react and change quickly is amazing. So I gotta say that is your biggest.
And even all the updates, I mean, it's constantly the software is transforming, is changing daily, And
it's every week, every Tuesday we do a
just
release.
us coming up here, we just heard a bunch of new updates
didn't know about.
while we're here.
We're here for like 3 days and he's changed the whole thing. So
when some of our competitors become big, they create useless meetings and you have to ask permission for this and for that. We still are at the size we're 40 people, so we're still at a size, and I'll try to keep that as long as possible, where people have a lot of freedom to take initiative and do the right thing without asking for permission or for a big meeting or anything like that. So I think that helps us being nimble and quick and reactive.
Just like the French.
Just
Nimble
like the
and
French.
quick,
Yeah, nimble and
reactive. Yeah, right. Well, that's it, guys. We love Agora Pulse. Kevin loves them. That's his like new shirt. He wears it every day now.
Yep.
I have one question.
Yeah,
for you.
for me? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Well,
me?
because you're the one using it.
Yeah.
So how do you feel when you're gonna go to use Agora Pulse? What's your feeling when you know that you're gonna have to use it to do your job? Do you feel, shit, I'm gonna have to use that product, or cool, I'm gonna use that product?
Well, usually I do a lot on Monday. So Monday in general, I just I'm like groggy. But I'll say from my experience, when we didn't have this tool, I mean, we were spending all day because we manage over 40 profiles, all day scheduling social media, coming up with copy, and just switching from different industries back and forth. That jumbles your mind. But with this tool, it's literally cut that time not in half, not we spend maybe an hour what it took us a whole day. So all the tools you put in, they are specifically designed for marketing companies, small businesses, brands, wherever, to save their time on more important things. Servicing the customer, community management. I can't tell you how much time it saved me. So to answer your original question, I don't even think about it. How about that? I don't even think about it. I just do it, and I know it's going to be easy.
He loves his job.
I love my job because
For the boss.
yeah, I get to go home early. Hey Kevin, I'm done. I'm gonna get out of here. And it's
It's
awesome.
11 a.m.
It's
I'm done
11
for the
a.m.
day.
Kevin. I'm gonna go home and go back to sleep. So no, it's great. I mean, to answer your question, like I said, I just don't even think about it because it's something that's so seamless in what I do every day.
It also allows us to all collaborate now too,
Yeah.
and we are able to all see it.
Yep.
You know?
So when we manage other
Yep.
people and they're doing the actual copy and creation,
Yep.
I can see what they're doing, and if I don't like a post or want to edit, I can do it myself or tell them to do it. It's fantastic. So
The reason I ask is because we have a lot of people say we enjoy using your tool where we didn't enjoy using the other tools we were using before. And this is something completely subjective. You cannot objectify the enjoyment of using something and the pleasure you have in driving this car versus that car, that software versus this software. And we pay a lot of attention to that, like trying to make it like it feels nice to use and you are happy to use it and not like, shit, I have to use that software
that's how I felt.
again.
We were using, I think it was when we were using Hootsuite at the time. It was. Like,
I didn't want to name anything.
Okay, well,
like, you did it.
Well, I named it already.
It's your responsibility.
But no, we were using that, and the UI wasn't what I wanted. It was cumbersome to use, and then when using the scheduler that you have and all the analytics, the reporting function is fantastic. It's simple, easy for my clients to understand, and they have something tangible, which is really hard in social media to give to your clients. It's hard to find that value, but I've got these great reports. I just send off to them now. I don't even have to explain it to them. They say, oh, good, green.
Green, good.
It's awesome. Green is good. Oh, the red. Oh, we got to work on that. But green is good. So, am I happy compared to what we were doing? Yes, I'm very happy compared to what we were doing. But it makes my job seamless. So, Emric, thank you so much.
Thank you for
Thank you
your
so much,
time.
Emric.
My pleasure.
Thank you so much. I can't
Yeah.
wait for you
I
to
hope
fly
this
us
was
out.
helpful.
It was. I can't wait for you to fly us out to Paris, France, and wine and dine us, right?
Of course.
Right? Of course.
Anytime.
It's on video. You heard it.
You're
You heard
welcome
it.
to Paris.
You heard it. You heard it. Anyone that signs up is welcome to Paris, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Welcome. All
even
right.
at 49.
Yeah.
We pay the flight.
Yeah, fantastic. Emric, thanks so much.
Good.
Thank you, Emric.
Thanks. Thank you.
Appreciate it.
See you guys.
See you.
Yes, we fly away, fly away. Fly away with me, it's time to fly away, fly away. His blood set me free, it's time to fly away, fly away.